The emergence of the BGZQ ransomware within the Stop Djvu Ransomware family has raised the alarm among both individuals and organizations. This malware infection operates by encrypting files on the victim system, rendering them inaccessible without a decryption key. Victims are then extorted for payment in exchange for the key. Once infiltrated into a system, BGZQ ransomware initiates the encryption process, targeting a wide array of file types including documents, images, videos, and more. This encryption renders the files unusable, effectively holding them hostage until the ransom demand is met. The consequences of falling victim to this malware can be severe, leading to data loss, financial damages, and disruption of regular operations, especially for businesses and organizations. How can I remove BGZQ ransomware? Removing BGZQ ransomware from an infected system requires a systematic approach to ensure complete eradication. Follow these steps carefully. Isolation. Disconnect the infected system from any network connections to prevent further spread of the malware. Identification. Identify and terminate any suspicious processes or applications running on the system using Task Manager or similar utilities. Safe mode. Boot the infected system into safe mode to minimize the infection's ability to execute and interfere with removal efforts. Manual cleanup. Manually delete any malicious files associated with BGZQ ransomware from system directories and temporary folders. Be cautious not to delete essential system files. Registry cleanup. Remove any registry entries created by the infection using the registry editor. Exercise caution to avoid inadvertently altering critical system settings. Data recovery. Attempt to restore encrypted files from backups if available. Avoid paying the ransom as it does not guarantee file recovery and may further incentivize cybercriminal activities. Anti-malware scan. Perform a thorough scan of the system using reputable antivirus or anti-malware software to detect and remove any remaining traces of the ransomware infection. How do I prevent the BGZQ ransomware infection? Preventing future infections by BGZQ ransomware or similar threats requires a proactive approach to cybersecurity. Consider implementing the following practices. Regular backups. Maintain up-to-date backups of critical data on external devices or cloud storage platforms to facilitate recovery in the event of a ransomware attack. Software updates. Keep operating systems, software applications, and antivirus programs updated with the latest security patches to mitigate vulnerabilities exploited by malware. User awareness. Educate yourself and others about safe browsing practices, phishing scams, and the importance of exercising caution when downloading or opening email attachments from unknown sources. Network security. Deploy firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and access controls to monitor and restrict unauthorized access to network resources. Email filtering. Implement robust email filtering solutions to identify and quarantine malicious attachments or links before they reach end users' inboxes. By adopting a multi-layered approach to cybersecurity and staying vigilant against emerging threats, individuals and organizations can significantly reduce the risk of falling victim to ransomware attacks. In conclusion, the BGZQ ransomware represents a significant cybersecurity threat with potentially devastating consequences for its victims. However, with proactive prevention measures and diligent removal efforts, individuals and organizations can effectively mitigate the risks posed by this and similar malware variants.
You know, as I think about the dangers that exist online, not unlike the subjects we learned about in this video, I know I feel a lot better having an anti-malware program like Spy Hunter installed in my PC, providing me the protection I need against malware, and I think you should too. Spy Hunter 5's strongest features are found in its malware repair capabilities. Spy Hunter 5's remediation algorithms dive deep into your system to remove and address complex malware issues affecting PCs today. While many anti-malware products only flag and quarantine malware and ultimately fail to fully remediate the root problem, the Spy Hunter 5 remediation algorithm detects, quarantines, and programmatically repairs malware problems on your PC. SpyHunter 5 is a powerful PC utility that repairs malware threats in many cases where other competing anti-malware and antivirus programs may fail. To detect and remove malware for free, go to enigmasoftware.com and download SpyHunter today. Thanks for watching.